Happy New Year's Eve! Whee! Okay, so today we're going to go cycling because Matt and I have absolutely no plans. We have already exceeded our social quota. So that's what we're going to be doing today, impromptu cycling, and we're going to go to East Coast Park. And I've never actually cycled all the way to Marina Barrage before, so that's what I am planning to try. So yeah, let's go.
Hello.
Got my backpack on, excited to cycle. So it started to rain and we are spending almost $72 in McDonald's eating fries, and I decided to try the mala shaker fries. I'm a big fan of mala, we both are. And this guy's eating a double cheeseburger right before dinner time. Why? Very, very, very spicy though. What did I say? Very, very, very salty. It's dinner time, so we cycled a total of 22 kilometers today, 2 hours, and it's now time to feast. I didn't expect it to be this small. Trying this baby egg tarts.
I went to this restaurant called 20 Thailand restaurant.
I was really excited for this because I saw very cute pictures. Apparently this is a restaurant. We just finished Jiang, and what's your verdict?
Very normal.
Yeah, honestly a little bit disappointed. Don't know whether or not it's because we ordered the wrong things, but we actually ordered all of the things on the menu with the chef recommendation just to make sure that we didn't get it wrong. Price point not so bad lah. Yeah, not so bad.
Super expensive.
Yep. Okay, now we're gonna go home and eat more food. Just got home and a very noisy baby is calling out to me. She likes to put like herself in between your legs just to call for attention. Why, Papa? I really need my coffee before I turn into a monster. My friend Sarah is coming over and she also likes coffee, so I'm gonna be using my espresso machine. Not mine, my mother-in-law's. Most of the time I'm too lazy to work it because it gets quite messy with the ground beans and all. I usually just go for my drip coffee or my Dolce Gusto because they're a lot more convenient, a lot more clean and fast-free. But today, since I have 2 cups to make, it's gotta be worth the investment and worth the time. Trying out Wildfire Burger for the first time.
Remember the chicken?
Travis said it's the best burger.
Yeah,
You better not disappoint.
Slow poke. 1st of Jan, and we are celebrating Matt's mom's birthday tonight with a dinner at Preludio. The last time Matt and I came, it was really nice, and we wanted to just bring his parents here to celebrate the New Year's and also his mom's birthday.
have thought your adventure turned into a forever stay? And I've been thinking a lot, and I've been
I cannot eat no more. At last we have desserts, but Preludio is always great. Highly, highly recommend this. I'm so full. Okay, so tonight's dinner was actually really nice. It's once every year and it's just to celebrate Matt's mom's birthday. I do really cherish our folks a little bit more because I realized as I got older, I started to look at family in a very different set of eyes. Tonight, I'm just gonna get unready and then tomorrow is another full day of feasting. I didn't wash my hair today because I already washed it this morning. Right now, the first thing I like to do after I step out of the shower is to mist my face. It's the Dr. Belmer mist. So that's usually my first step. I don't know if you guys can see, but I do still have like some remnants of like eyeliner and eyeshadow on. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip to just go across like this. And I've been loving my Bioderma. First toner is the Ubi Heartleaf Calming Toner. So the difference between the two, I told you guys I've been loving this a lot, and this is my second bottle. This is my first, but I'm almost halfway. This one has Centella asiatica inside, and it contains heartleaf essence, which is really good for people with acne prone skin or combination skin or very sensitive skin. So I have dry skin, but I have sensitive skin as well. So this one is really good at calming down the sensitivity. And today, this is what I'm gonna be using. Next serum by Ecom Pure Calming Ampule. So this one is really more for hydration. It's very light, so I usually apply quite a lot at one go. And then my Skin Ink, My Daily Dose. Next up, TLC Firm Boost Glycolic. This one is a holy grail, especially if you are very prone to congested skin. The Ubi Heartleaf Essence. And I find that it goes very well with the Drunk Elephant TLC Firm Boost because this one helps to soothe your skin and get rid of all of the redness. And I like to use it together to calm down the harsh effects of the glycolic acid. Of course, if you have acne prone skin, the Heartleaf is also going to be really good because it will help to regulate your sebum, and it also helps to prevent future pimples from forming and future breakouts from happening. Gonna be this tonight. It's not fragrance free, but if you like a product that doesn't smell too horrible, it has a very nice relaxing citrus scent, which I feel helps me sleep better. And that is it, guys. It's such a busy day in the office today, but I just wanted to quickly chat with you guys because I've got a very special promo and I just found out about it a few days ago, so I wanted to include it in this vlog so that you guys can go and get your car service before Chinese New Year. So I believe if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I recently got my car serviced, and here's how it went. So I think one thing that a lot of people don't tell you about owning a car is that you do need to commit a lot of time to all these little things like servicing the car. And remember I told you guys why I chose Affinity Concept by Jet Cars is because they have this free car concierge service where they will have someone to come and pick up your car, service it for you, then send it back to you, and you can choose it in 2 different locations, which is awesome. Because today I actually plan to work out of my friend's place, so I put the pickup at her place. I'm gonna come and pick up my car now. So I think this car concierge service is amazing for people like me who lead quite a busy life, or for people who just don't want to fuss too much. The good news is I have a 20% off code which I'm gonna leave over here, and you guys can service your car at Jet Cars, and only for my followers you guys get this car concierge service for free. I know, right? And of course it's for a limited period only, so I'm gonna leave all of the dates the codes and everything, how to book it. It's super simple. All you have to do is go to their website. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. So if you have a car and you wish to service it before the new year comes, it's a very nice gift for your dad. Even, you know, if you have a family car and you know that the car is due for service, I think this car concierge service is really impressive. I never thought it would relieve so much of my burdens, but it does, and I thought I should share with y'all. Morning! So today we are heading to Cream and Can Show. It's raining all day. I feel like the weather is really such a downer, and it's gonna be raining probably the whole of the week, I feel. That's why I decided to just not bother curling my hair today. I left it straight, blow dry it with my air wrap with the straightening barrel, and that is it. I think I said this so many times, but this is my favorite part of the car. The extra wide sunroof. We can actually open it, but obviously it's raining, we're not going to do that. We're on the way to an arcade! Yeah, I'm meeting my sister and her boyfriend there. Now that was our arcade day with my sister. I haven't actually hung out with her in a few years, so tonight, or rather today, was actually a really good day. We are just home because I don't feel like going anywhere when it's raining, and I've been feasting a lot, so I told Matt that I think I really need to hit the gym or exercise a little bit before I feast again tonight, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm home and I got something really interesting to share with y'all. These two products from Dermal Therapy that I wanted to share with you guys. I know it's a little bit TMI, but I've got super dry feet. Every time I wear heels, I'm always running around in them, and I've got really dry skin, so my feet is like super dry. Like Matt likes to say that I look like I have like zombie feet, and my mom actually has this cracked heels problem, and she told me that it can be really painful, so she asked me to, you know, always make sure I moisturize them well enough. I have been trying my best to take care of my feet as much as possible by moisturizing them, by hydrating them, and this is something that I found to really help me. So Dermal Therapy actually sent me these two products. The first one is called Heel Balm. It is a cream type kind of moisturizer for dry and cracked feet. These two actually promises to show visible results in 3 days. It is actually clinically tested to soften and repair your dry cracked feet. I've tried them myself and I actually really like it, and I wanted to show and share with you guys how my feet looked like on day 1. So today is day 3. I've been using it for 3 days, and I really like it because it is non-sticky at all. And the thing about applying moisturizers on your feet is that when it's very sticky, you feel like you're sliding all around and you don't want to wear any footwear because you feel kind of gross lah, you know. I like to apply it right after I step out of the shower, and the difference between the Heel Balm and the Heel Magic is that Heel Magic is in a stick type applicator, which is a little bit more convenient to carry around, especially if you travel a lot. You can just throw this in your bag and use it whenever you need. It contains ingredients like urea, shea butter, which is also a really good hydrating moisturizing ingredient, and we've got a whole blend of ceramides and hyaluronic acid as well. So all in all, it's a pretty good product. I highly recommend you guys to try it, and I'm going to show you guys how my feet looks like right now. This is day 3. Especially the front, like I get really dry this area, but the dryness have actually gone down quite a bit. Look. So yeah, check out the description box below to find out where you can get it, and yep. I feel kind of shy just like talking about my feet.
I decided to try the storage thing where you challenge, where you go.
Someone's watching Among Us on YouTube? What? I am baking some oatmeal cookies again because I really like to snack on these. They're extremely nutritious, really good at just like, you know, keeping you full and my sugar cravings down. I don't even have a recipe. I just like kind of mash bananas, peanut butter, oatmeal, and a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of chocolate chips for the extra crunch and a slight bit of flavor. And the good thing about them is they don't actually like roll or like spread. They don't change shape. Okay, so it's quite unfortunate today because I realized as I was making it, I don't have bananas anymore. So I just kind of improvised and put in one egg so that it can bind it all together. I haven't actually tried it. It's probably going to be less yummy because banana gives it a lot more like natural sweetness and also gives it a more mushy texture because I didn't use flour and I didn't use butter. But we shall taste it and see how it goes. How do my cookies look? Ah! They look dry.
But they smell nice.
Okay. You want to eat one?
I don't really like this kind of cookies. But okay, I eat one.
Moment of truth. I think this is a fail. Definitely need sugar or honey. Ending Sunday with a dinner at my parents' place. Look at this fish. Looks so fresh. And what do we have? Brinjal, vegetables. We've got some nice pork chops with garlic, and of course Chinese soup, lotus root. We are so into Hell's Kitchen. We have been watching it the past few days. Tomorrow is the start of work, darling. How do you feel about that?
So happy.
I'm happy too! Woohoo! Okay, we can do this together, 2021. Happy New Year, guys! And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here with him staring at himself over here.
You.
Don't lie, you're staring at yourself, okay? You know how, you know how, you know. I hope you guys had a really good start to 2021 and may this year be a good one for everyone. May you all stay safe and healthy, achieve everything that you've set out to achieve, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!